Hold that away from me.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Hello, brother. Why are you late?
I'm sorry, brother. I'll explain once I enter.
Nice of you to finally join us. Do tell why you are late. It's by 7 minutes to our original meeting time.
Brothers, I apologize for my tardiness. I got bit by a parrot on the way here.
Whoa, those are top-level birds. Those guys are high up.
He probably microchipped you.
The government has infiltrated your body to track us down.
Take the microchip out now before they can find us.
Biden, we know you can hear us. You will not win.
What the?
Squawk! Squawk!
Squawk me, man.
Ah, he has a beak!
Guys, I don't know what's going on. You guys gotta help me.
I told you they microchipped you.
Disgusting.
No, I think I'm becoming a bird.
Birds aren't real!
Clearly you become a government spy. This is out of our control.
Guys,
Stop!
Hey, stop! That's my grandpa's old fishing stuff.
It smells so good.
In case it wasn't already obvious, Oliver is no longer a brother. He shows up 7 minutes late and now he becomes this.
Oliver wants a cracker.
You can't do this to me! You tricked me with those delicious seeds! I have a family! How will Laura raise the kids?
Do you really want your kids raised by a government bird mutant?
Well, you're lucky we didn't bring you to City Hall.
Crisis averted.
They may have gotten Oliver and the others, but we will win the war.
Can we finally get back to the meeting now?
Birds. I don't like birds.
If you can't get enough from us here at Live from Studio B, click here to watch some more videos and click down here to follow us on socials.